Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share important truths about everyday food choices. Today's topic is something many people enjoy regularly. Burger. Juicy, tasty, satisfying. It feels like comfort food. It feels quick, easy. But what happens inside your body after you eat it? Let's start with why people love burgers. They contain protein. Protein supports your body. It helps muscle function. Burgers also provide quick satisfaction. You feel full fast. But this is only one side. Now let's look deeper. Most burgers contain high amounts of unhealthy fats. These fats increase calorie intake quickly. Your body stores excess energy. Fat begins to accumulate, especially around your stomach. Another issue is processed ingredients. Refined bread, additives, preservatives. These reduce nutritional quality. Then comes salt. Fast food often contains large amounts of salt. This affects fluid balance. It may increase pressure inside your system. Then comes frequency. One burger is not the problem. Regular habit becomes the problem. Daily fast food creates long-term impact. Energy becomes unstable. Body becomes heavier. Then comes your heart. Excess fat intake affects circulation. Your system works harder. Over time, this creates risk. So what is the solution? Not extreme restriction. Control. Occasional use. Better choices. Smaller portions. Because food is not only about taste. It is about awareness. Enjoy your food, but understand its impact. Because your daily choices create your future health. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay aware, take care.